welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. I just want to add some clips to my video. I have my BFF have a clip of me talking about this. When I was riding her car, and then we talk about fans. I don't plan to vlog them, but it sounds very funny, so I will upload them, and I want to add this one. I vlogged that video about fans, so which one you belong? This one? This one? Or this one? Ganyan na hair ko. Ano? Laan ni Kimora, hello? Which one? Ito, malakas? Or ito na pa ganun, pa-social? That video is very funny, so I want to include this clip because it sounds funny, so and I didn't say hi, hello to there. Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita, your funny girl. Laan ni Kimora, saan ka dito? Ito bang mahinhin or malakas? Jessie Janet, saan? Which one? Mamili ka, pay-pay. Itong karton na mabilis or itong paganito lang sa'yo? I talk about the social thing over there. Marian Tabilin? Marian Tabilin, which one? Itong karton na malakas o ito? J&A, hello! Beth Vlog, Irenizer, Anaru, Maria Altamia. Ray Glenn pala din, saan ka dito? Itong malakas? Karton? Or ito, pa ganun? It's just a funny vlog, you know, we need to smile at this pandemic, global, spreading all over. My hair is like that. I don't comb them. Tie them up, then I will just like that, then I vlog. Hello guys! I miss you all! Hi Chef Harris! My friends, all my friends, I kiss them. Bart Mangyaw! Sino pa ba? Bill, BFF, Liva, Buhay! I love you! Summer Rain Channel! Ano, walang kwentang vlog na ito. Funny kasi yung clip na yon. It's very funny. I'm inside my social friend car, and then I was talking about the hard electric fan, and then the social. See you later. Bye. Walang kwenta. I just want to smile. So why not? I want to say hello to all the people in the entire planet. Hi, Six Green Gama. Get well soon. Ba't ang sweet ko? Masweet talaga ako na tao. Wag yung don't like overthink about my sweetness. Masweet ako na tao. Nag-I love you ako sa lahat ng tao. At saka nagaganon ako. It's my personality. I'm just a very sweet girl. And I like that, and I say I love you to everybody. I'm just full of love and full of good vibes. Iyak na naman ako nito. Bye! Have a good day!
Kung saan magpaypay gani sa kuan? How to use this paypay ang social. Hinay kayo ba ang hangin, hinay kayo, pero sa mga taga-bukid like me, anak gid oh, hala gid like me. Pero ang social Ginoo halos ang social halos bitaw dili mo galaw ang paypay nila, pati ang ila ang street kayo social halos sila social ko, diba ang social dili kay muli ho. Pero ako taga-bukid, hala, bira! Nakatawa na po na akong amiga sa kuha. She laughed again. Pilipinas. Bye! See you later! Like, subscribe! This is just a funny vlog about a social pipe time.